Hello, in this video, I will talk about my English journey, how I am improving my English and how I practice daily. Because of there is no day in which I not practice. I don't practice. I practice each and every day. This is why I don't know why I am so late and I am usually you know it's almost 12 p.m. right now, and I am just making this video because of I don't want to skip any day of English speaking, because of I want to improve myself. I want to there was today, if I talk about what I did to let's talk about what I did today. And I yesterday my father came from the village to why he came, because of there was some relatives came to see my cousin for his marriage. This is why my father came from the village, and I also went to their home. You, if you don't see my previous video, you can see and you will know why I go there. And today morning my father returned back to the village, and the my cousin went to him. uh, how can I say to you, my cousin went to dropping them at the station, yes we can say. And yes, you know what, today is Saturday and don't go I didn't go to the court on time, because there was my father. My father was saying ki don't go today. I was saying ki you are going to village, then no worry, I will stay with you till you are here. And my father went from around at 12 around at 12 in the morning, 12 a.m. in the morning. And then I go to the Shakit Court. And it's really hot today, and my you know it's headache. How can I say ki there I feel headache. This is why I when I came to my room around at 4 or 5 p.m., I feel sleepy. Then I felt slept, and around 8:45 I woke up. Then I have dinner, and after that time I was scrolling videos, and I was listening podcast and watching videos on YouTube as well. And now I remember ki I don't practice today. I didn't practice of English speaking today. This is why let's I want to tell you genuinely ki I want to, make my mind to think in English. It's simple as this. You know, if you talk about ki, how can you frame the sentence in your mind, I am not framing. I am just, try to listen more and more. Whenever I feel free and whenever I have time to listen any podcast or video which in which I am interested in. I'm talking about the topic, and I genuinely say कि I listen podcast. And I if I watch any videos, the video about on motivational topic and such, because of being a lawyer, I'm a lawyer, so I watch some crime videos as well in English only. I if I don't talk about reels, I only watch any videos and I don't listen music in English because music I am not able to understand music in English only. So I listen music in Hindi sometimes, but I watch any content and try to watch or listen any content in English. Let, let's suppose if I want to s- know about any product. For example, I am searching for a best laptop in which I can edit videos and play games because I love games. I love video games. This is why I am searching for a best laptop. So I simply go on YouTube and search which is the best laptop, and I see only those videos on YouTube in which creator is speaking in English only. I understand, I don't understand full video and full speech about anything he's talking in that video, but I am trying to listen the sentence what and he is saying in that videos. This is why I am, and I feel ke English fluency is not about you know speaking and learning, is only about listening and speaking. I genuinely, because of if I listen to someone ke, if someone is trying to say anything to you in any manner and you mimic the same sentence in your own word, in your own accent accent, this will better than you are reading, you are writing. This is also important, but it's a part of journey, we can say. But the most important is listening and speaking, the most important. If you want to able to differentiate the whole communication into formal or informal, I am not different. I don't want to differentiate my sentence into formal or informal, because of first of all I want to communicate, even it is informal, even formal. I don't want to differentiate, and I am not able to differentiate. Actually, this is the main reason. And you know after some time, because of I am not just right now, if you are seeing myself ke, how I am making structure and making sentence structure to speaking my and sharing my ideas by speaking in English. I can be, I am so fluent in my mind, but when it comes to speak, sometimes my I feel shy, and sometimes my tongue got slipped, and there are so many reasons. This is why I am want to, and how I am improving. I feel so confident right now because of I know I am improving. I know because of it's. If I talk about ki from when I am try to speak in English on the daily basis, it's not so much time. It's about you can see my first video, and you will imagine I also quit the journey between the, you can see the videos and the difference of uploading, because of this is how you can see I am struggling in express the story, but I push my mind to think in English because of I am able to speak any sentence, any simple sentence to share with you. But when I try to you know share with you a story, and whenever I try to you know how can I say कि express the story step by step, my mind doesn't respond. My mind doesn't give the words to my tongue to express. My tongue is ready to speak. Even I am not feeling shy to upload these videos. I always uploading raw and real footage of mine. This is how I am learning, and this is how I am improving day by day. And this is the whole secret. I was listening motivational videos on YouTube, in which Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, was saying कि if you are training your mind in English, because of he is also an English teacher in China, and he was saying कि if you are training your mouth in English by listening, if you are listening when you get time, and then if you have time to speak to yourself in front of the mirror. This is the of nominal things, we can say. The real thing is how you can really improve your English, how you can how you can communicate with people, to communicate people, to communicate with real people. You know what I'm saying, कि if you are, I am talking to my camera, and I am talking what's in my mind. This is, you can say and I can say, this is fiction, because of I know those words to frame in a sentence, and I can say what I am saying. And if I try to make any different story and different sentence, my mind got blank, you can see. And you are saying in my whole videos. And this is why, if you want to communicate, you have to communicate with real people. This is how you can really improve your English journey very fast. This was the Jack Ma was saying in that video, and this lesson is very, you know it's very real, and we can say it's the fact check. Because of, I'm just sharing my thoughts and sharing what I did today. I don't have the topic, on what topic I, if you, if there is a people who are talking about any topic, and who are sharing any story fluently. Not fluently means कि if someone is convey a message clearly, this is the fluency. In my knowledge, fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. It is not a fluency. It is a kind, it is a kind of art. Because if you speak slowly and clearly, you can speak fast as well. As simple as that. And you know if you try to learn the cycling, and if you try to learn riding of motorcycle, you have to try to learn to ride slowly as possible. Because of, if you ride slowly, you can ride fast as well. Because of, there is a accelerator in your hand. You can how can I say कि if you, I don't have word to, how can I say this action, how can I, sorry, I don't have word. But if you can ride slowly, you can ride fast as well. And this is why, if you speak slowly and clearly, and your message is clear through your story and through your speaking, you can speak fast as well. This is the actual fluency, and this is enough for today. I will see you soon. If you appreciate my journey, hit the like button. And if you want to I am not saying that through my video you will get you know fluent through my videos now, because of this video is helpful to you only to get motivation कि yes, this person is speaks on the daily basis and practice on the daily basis. This is the motivation for you, and you can see my journey कि am I improving or not. Am I improving, then you can join me. And if I am not improving, and you can suggest me any idea, if you have to improve my journey, let me in the comment box. I am welcoming you, no doubt. Because of I want to improve myself. I don't want कि I know everything. Because of I know, I don't think कि I know everything. I you know always appreciate the advices if the advice is genuine. See you tomorrow. Bye.